G'day guys, welcome back aboard the MAGKNIGHT 787. We're coming in runway 17 with the wind tonight. We've got no landing gear, we've got no hydraulics, our flaps are out, so I'm going to try and slow this aircraft down as best I can. I think we're going to be landing on the engine cowls because I don't think we've got any gear, so... In fact, I know we've got no gear. And we're going to be coming in hot, 230 knots.
Flaps. Flaps.
I don't have flaps. Fantastic. I hate it when Rash says that to you.
Flaps. Flaps. Approaching 17.
Just wrecked my paint job. I landed on the cowls, I think. Unless the gear came down. Okay, there we go guys. That's a beautiful landing, but plane is kind of stuffed. Yeah. Anyway, got it down safely. All passengers on board are safe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.